today was shorter than almost any day before 2011. And it's all because Japan literally stole time from your life. I'm serious. A single insane earthquake permanently erased 1.8 milliseconds from every single day. This isn't science fiction. This is the crazy story of how a 9.0 magnitude earthquake was so powerful it was made the entire planet spin faster. To see how one earthquake in one country could change physics for the whole world, we have to go back to that insane day. You think you're standing on a solid ground, right? Wrong. It's an illusion. We are living on the paper-thin crust of an insane planet. And this crust is broken into massive tectonic plates that are always moving. They crash, they pull apart, and they slide past each other 24/7. Now look at Japan. The gigantic Pacific plate is shoving itself under another plate right off the coast. For hundreds of years, these two plates were stuck, and all that time, the pressure just kept building and building. We're talking about unbelievable amount of energy, just waiting. It was just a ticking bomb. And on March 11, 2011, that bomb went off.
Tsunami has been engulfing the port.
It all started with a crazy undersea explosion. This wasn't just another earthquake. This was the most powerful earthquake ever recorded in Japan. We're talking about 9.0 magnitude monster. For 6 minutes, the entire country was shaking. Skyscrapers were swaying, bridges were breaking, and the ground was literally turning into liquid. The energy was equal to thousands of nuclear bombs. This earthquake literally redrew the map. Japan's main island was pushed 8 feet to the east. Some part of the coastline dropped 2 feet forever. It was one of the biggest seismic events in history, but believe it or not, the earthquake was just the beginning. The earthquake breaking the seafloor was like a giant paddle, launching a huge wall of water, a tsunami. Warnings went out, but nobody was ready for this. The waves were over 130 feet tall. That's insane. This wall of water went 6 miles inland, completely wiping towns off the map. It destroyed everything: cars, houses, buildings, in seconds. The videos look like the movie. Almost 20,000 people died. Hundreds of thousands lost their homes. And then, the Fukushima nuclear power plant started melting down. It was a total catastrophe. But while all this was happening, something else was going on that nobody could ever feel. The entire planet was being changed forever. Okay, how is this even possible? How can an earthquake change the length of a day for the entire world? It all comes down to a simple rule in physics. Think about an ice skater. When her arms are out, she spins slow. But when she pulls her arm in, she spins super fast. She didn't push harder, she just moved her arms. The Earth is just a giant spinning ice skater. And this earthquake was like the Earth pulling its arms in. The massive tectonic plate that moved, it pulled trillions of tons of rock closer to the center of the Earth. And just like the skater, the Earth had to spin faster. NASA scientists did the math, and the result was insane. The earthquake shortened every single day by 1.8 microseconds. That's 1.8 millionth of a second gone from every day. Isn't that insane? One earthquake changed time for every single person on Earth. If you think this is crazy and want to see more mind-blowing videos, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell right now. We post insane videos like this all the time, and you don't want to miss what's next. But wait, it gets even crazier. Speeding up the planet wasn't the only thing it did. All the moving rocks also made the Earth wobble. NASA figured out the quake shifted the Earth's balance point by almost 7 inches. And this isn't even the first time. The 2004 Sumatra earthquake shortened that day by 6.8 milliseconds. The 2010 Chile earthquake shortened it by 1.26 milliseconds. So, does this toll in time ever matter? For you and me, honestly, no, you'll never notice 1.8 milliseconds. But for NASA, it's everything. If they're trying to land a rover on Mars, they have to know exactly how fast the Earth is spinning. If their math is off by even a tiny amount, they could miss the entire planet. So you might not feel it, but landing on Mars depends on it. The 2000 Japan earthquake was an insane tragedy, but it was also a story about our crazy planet. One single event was so powerful, it literally changed how fast the world spins. It stole 1.8 milliseconds from your day. In that time, it's never coming back. That tiny stolen moment is a permanent reminder of that day. It proves we live on a planet that is constantly moving. Those 1.8 milliseconds are gone forever. And they show us just how powerful our planet really is.